Now I'm going to make a Cina Village Mai Tai. This drink comes to us courtesy of the restaurant Cina Village. All right, first off, I'm going to start by adding some ice to my shaker. I'm going to add dark rum and light rum, 1 ounce of each. There we go. And you may or may not have heard of the Cina Village restaurant. It's very famous, and you should look it up on Google and learn all about it, so that when you are serving this drink to your friends, you can seem really sophisticated and knowledgeable. All right, next we're going to add our grenadine, and we're going to do about 1/4 ounce of this. There we go. We're going to add some orange juice and some pineapple juice, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3 on each of these. 1, 2, 3. All right. Last but not least, we're going to add our triple sec. Just like so. We're going to give this a good shake. And this is going to be served in a tall glass. We're going to top this with a cherry and just a dash of triple sec. All right. There you have it, Cina Village Mai Tai. Cheers and enjoy.